Science advances best when knowledge, tools, and data are shared. The Open Science Framework, OSF, is a free open-source platform built and maintained by the Center for Open Science. OSF helps researchers plan, organize, and share their projects at every stage, from idea to publication. Through our open source ecosystem initiative, COS is opening OSF's development to the wider open source community, investing in developer-led enhancements that meet researchers' evolving need, strengthen open science practices, and ensure long-term sustainability.
Without a doubt, this is a pivotal moment in the OSF's history. In our history, we have always been open source, so our code has always been available, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we've been inclusive of these outside integrations, these outside platforms to come in and be a part of our community and the tools that we're building.
Enabling community development on OSF isn't just a technical step. It's central to COS's mission of making research more open and accessible.
This fits into our mission to advance open science in our pyramid of change. So the base level of that theory of change is to make things possible. So the OSF itself is meant to do that. We're meant to create a platform of tools so that researchers can come in, build their research, and share it openly and transparently. But now we're starting to add in layers to that. We're adding in the community aspect. It's community for community.
Always open source, OSF is now building momentum, inviting the community to shape its future.
Tremendous amount of advancements towards setting it up for open science contributions by any volunteers. Setting up the environment, bringing tech stacks to latest versions, making sure the tech stacks are industry standard used ones. And we are at our initial phase with a selected group of folks to be able to work in our code. We have gotten to a point where we are ready to really open it up for anybody who is ready to contribute.
Through NSF's Pathways to Enable Open Source Ecosystems program, COS awarded $80,000 to support the developer-led projects that expand and improve OSF. Awardees are building tools and integrations for the OSF that benefit not only their teams, but the broader research community.
Receiving this award is a great opportunity for us to be able to collaborate with the team at COS and really integrate what we're doing with what they're doing, see more of how it works. And it's been a really great learning experience for us.
To us, it means involvement in a larger effort. We have goals, and those goals align directly with the Center for Open Science. So being able to have our voices heard and be part of the conversation is very valuable to us.
Through their work, awardees are advancing transparency, collaboration, and innovation in research.
We're hoping to make experiments a lot easier for researchers in the behavioral sciences to conduct. We want to make experiments cheaper for behavioral scientists to conduct. We're hoping that a lot of people find real value in the tool.
It will allow anyone using or participating in the OSF project to create their projects, not only for us at the University of Manchester, but it's extended for anyone using the OSF.
We want to standardize how science is done, and we want to improve how it's communicated.
Collaboration with COS and peer awardees has opened new avenues for innovation and growth.
Working with the COS is providing another avenue for achieving the impact that we're going for, and the other awardees have a similar avenue for our improvement. So talking to them and looking for different ways to work together and grow together, hopefully faster than we would have alone.
In the future, I think that most of disciplines are going to be built on top of the data and also code. To do so, open science is mandatory. That's why I'm believing that open science is so important.
It's building bridges, and we're not in the business of competing with other groups. We're in the business of making sure that science can be shared openly and transparently.